Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Jamaican-based regional outsourcer ITEL, with an existing labor force of 2,000 employees, is adding to its workforce by 2,000 additional employees. This expansion in the BPO operator is based on ITEL acquiring two high-volume clients. One of the new clients is a growing logistics and transportation business. The account will see new seats added to ITEL's Kingston business processing outsourcing business. The second new client is a U.S. retail giant, which will lead ITEL to engage in restructuring and expanding its current support services, moving its service delivery to Montego Bay. Mayberry Investments Executive Chairman Christopher Berry encouraged small investors to look for growth in the marketplace that he deems difficult. In the prospectus for the latest offer by Mayberry at 10.75% for a minimum investment of $20,000, Berry states, "It can be difficult for smaller investors to find opportunities to make decent returns on their savings. For instance, real estate has gone on a multi-decade run-up. For the small or young investor that is looking to make their money work for them by investing in real estate, it will typically need a minimum investment running well into 8 figures. There are, of course, ways for small investors to obtain exposure to real estate, but they will typically need to either accept lower yields than if they owned the investment property themselves, or accept higher risk from a leveraged financing structure," Christopher Berry stated. During trading for the period of September 3, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. PVC pipe manufacturer Omni Industries Limited, with 188,698,195 units, represented 93.62% of the market value in terms of sales. Pharmaceutical and medical products distributor R.A. Williams Distributors Limited, with 1,896,972 units, represented 0.94% of the market value in terms of sales. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial, with 1,286,322 units, represented 0.64% of the market value in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On September 2, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $47.01 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $45.05 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $158.47 and bought the US dollar for $155.70. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.77, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.93 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $115.52 and bought for $117.45. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.23, selling it for $208.21 and buying it for $201.98. For our credit report tip of the day, we continue to look how you can recover from the back-to-school shopping season that put a dent in your wallet or your purse. Now, we know the increasing cost of school supplies, clothing, extracurricular activities can mean you're going to borrow to cover some of those expenses. but you can rebuild your credit score and prepare for your next financial milestone, whether it's buying a car, renovating your home, or qualifying for a mortgage. So we offer you this idea. Pay down high interest debt first. If you relied on credit cards for back to school expenses, prioritize paying off high interest debt. This will free up more cash in the long run and improve your credit utilization ratio. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.